and welcome back. So today I have yet again another advent calendar unboxing. This time I got my hands on the Benefit, the Shake Your Beauty 12-day advent calendar. I didn't even know Benefit was doing advent calendars. Actually, I think they had stopped for a while. They used to do them and then they took a break for a while, and then now this year I guess they're bringing them back. Pretty exciting. So this calendar does retail for $65, and I'm looking at the website here so I don't get it wrong, and they say it has $139 value inside of here, so that is pretty good. Of course, we are gonna find out if that's true and what's in there, but first of all, I mean, this packaging is adorable. How freaking cute is that? You got all these images that just goes around. It's super cute. Where's my tiny baby scissors? There's a piece of tape here that I need to cut to open the rest of it. So we're gonna slice our way in. Ooh, there we go. You open it up like so. Oh, that's adorable. That is clever. Okay, presentation-wise, this definitely gets an A for me. I really like the way that they have this set up. So I'm pretty excited to dive into it. I'm not gonna waste any time here. I'm just gonna go straight for it. Now we got 12 days to get through, so let us begin with number 1, which is over here. I think it kind of goes in order. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it goes like section by section here. So let's start with 1 right over here, right in the eye. Hello, little guy. So starting us off here is their Hoola bronzer. This is definitely a mini because it's not in the normal packaging that Hoola usually comes in. It's a little plastic component. But this is a cult favorite by Benefit. I mean, so many people rave about it. I've actually never tried it. Oh my goodness, I'm so late on some of the makeup items. Oh, and that's not bad. I was kind of expecting this Hoola bronzer to be a little bit darker. In my mind, I kept thinking I need the light Hoola bronzer, but I definitely think I could make that work. Kind of fun, I get to test that out now. Oh, it even says the name here of what product is inside behind the door here. That's pretty cool. All right, on to day number 2 though. Let's grab it right next to 1. So second up here, it looks like we got one of their mascara minis. This is their Real Lengthening Mascara. Well, this one I've actually been able to test out before. I actually got a mini version in, was it Ipsy? It might have been Ipsy years and years ago, back when I first had the subscription. I'm pretty sure that's where I got it. And not my personal favorite mascara. I can't 100% recall exactly how I felt about the mascara because I mean, it's been years. I do a lot of makeup testing, a lot of reviews, so I can't recall it exactly. I just know that I remember not liking this mascara. I don't want to go into too much detail since I can't really remember, but I know I didn't like it. So I think I might give that one away. But let's go on to day number 3, which is over here. Oh, I see something with brows. We now got the Precisely My Brow Eye Pencil, and we got it in the shade number 3. Ignore the Hoola bronzer there. And this again is a mini size. This is not one of the full sizes, although it looks pretty full. I double checked it here on the website. And number 3, according to their website, is the Warm Light Brown. So I guess kind of a general eye pencil. I mean, it is Benefit and they're kind of known for their brows, but I don't know, I feel like putting a brow pencil in an advent calendar is a little bit risky. I'm wondering if it says anywhere. No, it didn't. I was checking to see if there was like a variation number where it had it on the back, like the different brow numbers. You know how sometimes they do that for some of their smaller sets? Like they had the brow boxes one year and they had to choose your right shade, and it was like 1 through, what numbers do they have? 6. So you chose 1 through 6 and then it came with a bunch of different minis for your perfect shade. That would have been kind of cool to see them do with the advent calendar as well, so that way you got your right shade. But I mean, I think I'm gonna be able to make this shade work because I do really like to make my brows quite a bit darker than my hair color. So I got lucky with this advent calendar, but I mean, not everyone may be so lucky. But let's move on now to day number 4, which is right over here. Let's do it. Dandelion. So now for day number 4, we got the Dandelion Brightening Baby Pink Blush. I went ahead and swatched it right over here. It is very light, so it might be kind of hard to see. But personally, I am on board for it. You guys know I like my more subtle blushes. I don't really like things to be too bright. Just for me, I kind of prefer the blush to be very subtle. So that's a fun one to get. Okay, on to day number 5 here. Let's do it. What is this? I can't see from my angle. Oh, it's their brow gel. This is their 24-hour brow setter, the clear version. I actually had to open it up to find out if it was clear or if it was colored because I had no clue. It didn't really say on this mini packaging. I was kind of guessing it would be clear just because that is a little bit more universal than choosing the tinted brow gel that they usually have, which I've actually used the tinted brow gel and I really like that one. It gives a lot of color off and helps to shape the brows, so that one I really like. I haven't tried the clear version before, and I mean, this is definitely an interesting little paddle. I don't know if I have enough brow hair to use this with. But I'll definitely give this one a go to test it out since I did like their tinted brow formula. Hopefully that one will work too. Okay, on to day number 6, right over here. That kind of looks like it's gonna be a tube of something with the shape of the cutout. So let's, whoa! Oh, I was ripping it the wrong way. And I was correct, it is a little tube. So now to test out, I got the Professional Hydrate Primer. And this again is a mini version. I'm not sure if I should keep mentioning that they're minis. You can kind of see it. And it definitely seems like the theme of this box is all minis. So far we haven't gotten a full size. But this one I have not tested out. I've tried out the original Professional. That one is really good in my opinion. I do enjoy using it. It really smooths you out. So this is their other variation of that one that's gonna be hydrating as well. I do have a very oily complexion, so anything that kind of says hydrating to me, I always go like, no. But I mean, they're not all bad for oily skin, so I'll test this one out. I won't knock it before I try it. All right, on to day number 7 over here. Let's do this. Oh, looks like another mascara here. Get it out. Ugh. That one's really stuck in there. Oh my goodness. Ooh, there we go. Got it out. Wow, hear how stuck it was. So now the second mascara in the advent calendar we get to try out is their Roller Lash formula. Now this one I actually haven't tested before, so let's take a quick look here at the wand so we can just get a little idea of how it looks. Got some longer ones on one side, some shorter ones on the other to take the bottom lashes and the top lashes. Looks pretty good. And I've actually seen a lot of really positive reviews on it, kind of before and afters. So I'm excited to give this one a test. All right, now on to day number 8, right down here. This thing is kind of awkward to hold, though. Hold up for everybody. Oh, hello, hello. As I mentioned it before, we now got the original formula of the Professional. So that's good. Now we got the hydrating one and we got the original formula. So you get to kind of test out, see which one you like. And yeah, I mean, I already mentioned how I like the original formula, so I'll just kind of leave it there. All right. Oh my goodness, we're nearing the end here. Number 9. Let's pop into it. Oh, is that another mascara? Ugh. Wow, they really jammed these mascaras in there. That might be kind of hard to see with all my beauty lights on, but it says it's the Bad Gal Bang, the volumizing mascara. You know what, why not? I am gonna show you guys the wand of this one too, because I'm curious. Oh, it looks like a little cone. And don't worry, I will be trying out these 2 new mascaras right away. I'm actually running out of the one I was currently using, so I figure I could open these ones up and give them a test. On to door number 10, right over here on the other side of the braces. This is their Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. And this is actually the one I was talking about when I was saying I tried one of their brow gels, and it was this one. It was the Gimme Brow Plus one. I think the 24-hour one actually only comes in clear now. So this is the one I've tried before and I really enjoy. I think it has some really good pigment to it, really fills out the brows. Even if you don't have a lot of brows like myself, you can kind of fake it with a little bit of a color. So this formula I definitely enjoy. And again, this one is the shade number 3, so you do get the matching pencil to the brow gel. Again, I just kind of wish, you know, they would have numbered it so that way everybody gets the right shade. But I am excited to have that one because I do really like that one. On to number 11. Down here, is this another mascara? Okay, so technically yes and no for this being a mascara. This is the They're Real Tinted Eyelash Primer. So it's a mascara primer. You're supposed to use this one before you go in with the They're Real mascara. I'm sure you could use it with any mascara. It doesn't just have to be that one, but that's what they recommend. Oh, and it's brown. You guys might not even be able to see that, but the shade that this one is in is brown. Pretty sure the other ones were black. Yeah. They were indeed black mascaras. This one is just brown. I will give this one an attempt. I know I'm not a fan of the actual They're Real mascara formula. Maybe this one's gonna be different since it's the primer. I don't know, you don't know until you try it, so I'll give this one a shot. I like to be fair and test everything before I make up my mind fully. But now we're on the last one. How exciting! So let's go ahead and hop into this one. This is the Roller Liner Matte Liquid Eyeliner. And that looks really good, very pigmented, and I like that this one is the felt tip marker. That is definitely my preferred preference when it comes to liner. It looks good. I mean, this is a cult favorite again, so I'm really excited to try it out and see what the hype is about, see what we're working with there. But that was it, you guys. That is the entire Benefit calendar unboxed. I might keep this is adorable. But let's go ahead and talk deets about this advent calendar here. So we ended up getting the 12 items, and those 12, all of them were minis. That's the first part. The second part is the ones I have over here in this hand are official minis, I guess you could call it. And by that I mean that this exact size was on their website available for sale, and I got prices for these, which was the bronzer, the blush, the 2 primers, the liner, and the brow pencil. Those were all the official minis. Same size, everything on the website. These ones over here, the mascara primer, mascaras, and the 2 brow gels, they were actually, a lot of them were half the size of the minis. A few of them were just about half the size of a mini, so I would call these more deluxe sample sizes. Before I solidify my opinion here, let me try to come up with a value here, see if we get what they were claiming with the value of the $139. Now that we know that those are more deluxe sizes, so let me do some quick research here, and I'll be right back with that. I'm back. Okay, so one little thing, so I did double check and verify everything as I was going through and finding the values, and I did find one that I accidentally thought wasn't a mini. It was the Gimme Plus Brow Gel. That one is actually the appropriate size of the mini, so I'm gonna move that one over to the official mini side. So there was 7 official minis and then only 5 deluxe items. There we go, verified. And the price of the value that they give you online is actually correct. I did do some math, kind of give values to the deluxe sizes. So the $139 value is taking into account that these are deluxe and not official mini. So that is really good. I just wanted to double check that and make sure they're being honest about that, and they are. And now we get back to the tough part. My opinion on this advent calendar. Now, no matter how cute this packaging was, I feel like I'm gonna be leaning towards passing on this calendar. I mean, it was adorable and that's kind of what drew me in at first, but I feel like for paying 65 bucks, I mean, 65 bucks is still a lot of money. And I think for that price, only getting 7 minis and 5 deluxe size items in there, it's just kind of like, I felt like I was just waiting for at least one item to be full size. I just feel like it would have helped push them over the edge there with just having at least 1 full size in there, maybe 2. If they're feeling generous. So just my opinion on it, I think this calendar is gonna end up being a pass or a wait for it to go on sale one. Because I just don't feel like it's really worth 65 bucks, to be honest. Definitely let me know what you guys' thoughts were on it down below in the comment section. I am dying to hear what you guys thought of this one. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video.